Wow, Mickey looks demonic there.
They all look kind of demonic.
Yeah.
Everyone's in the demon line today.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Happy Halloween!
Hey guys. So we have noticed that a couple of the groups or artists that we follow are doing Halloween videos. So, you know, it's Halloween. It seemed rude not to take a peek.
Yeah.
Will it be a trick or a treat?
Trick. No, treat. Treat. I meant treat.
Wow.
It was the first one, so I just, went for it. But yeah. So who are we gonna check out first?
We're checking out Ateez first, and they have done the Black Cat Nero cover, I guess, but Halloween style. We haven't heard the original song, but if Ateez have decided to cover it, we're sure it's going to be amazing, right?
Yep.
So let the spookiness commence. Guys, if you're not subscribed to our channel, here's the reminder. It's not a trick, it's a treat.
Yeah. Or is it a trick?
Ready? Such a dynamic logo. Kind of missed it because it hasn't been in the earlier videos we've looked at.
Is that a church?
It sounds like it's starting off with "Where have all the good men gone?" Vampire. Very folksy, this music, right? Cat. Is he drinking wine or blood? Probably blood, right, if they're vampires.
Ooh.
Guess who?
That hellish filter.
Oh, it's very rocky, isn't it?
Yeah.
I feel like out of a Jesus Christ Superstar for Andrew Lloyd Webber, because they have a very rocky opening as well.
Yeah.
Anyway, sorry guys, I'll go back 5 seconds so I can appreciate what's going on. They look quite good for the undead, right?
Ooh. That was so...
Ooh, shuffling.
Cool hair.
Oh, he's got a pony.
Yeah.
Ooh, he's looking very like Joker mixed with vampire.
Yeah, kind of like Jared Leto's Joker, right?
So they're in a graveyard now.
Yeah.
This music's really interesting, right?
Yeah. Wow, Mickey looks demonic there.
They all look kind of demonic.
Yeah.
Everyone's in the demon line today.
Yeah.
Oh, they're wearing, this is like that
the
shirt that Stray Kids wore for
shirt,
Backdoor.
Yeah.
He's wearing it better though, at least it's not loose. But it's kind of, yeah.
Ooh.
Ooh. Go for it.
The way they move is just so dynamic.
I know, right? We haven't seen girls in their videos before. have we?
No, yeah. Piggyback cry. Ooh.
Let me hear the voice hit him up to Tini. Put him up, your hands, the ready. Are you guys
That organ, very phantom.
It's time to sing it together. Say 1, 2, let's go.
It's almost like Thriller, isn't it?
Yeah.
I read that this is actually the original singer.
Oh, cameo.
He came in.
Yeah.
Is this the original dance?
That's so cool.
Actually, the original singer has a nice voice.
Yeah. Flexing.
Who's flexing?
Wow.
Is it John?
Oh my gosh, Phantom of the Opera and the notes.
They're cats. Oh.
Wow. Black.
Wow. So, I'm not really 100% sure what happened in the MV. I think they're vampires in a church, then they're in the graveyard, then they resurrect the original singer.
Yeah. Would you watch that movie? Or TV series, if there was one?
Why not?
Ateez as vampires.
Sure, why not? But who was singing at the end? Was it Jung? Oh my god, what's the Mac name called?
Jong-Kook?
Jungkook is not the
No.
Mac name.
Oh, I thought you
Ateez.
meant the original
No.
member. Jung-Ho.
Jungho.
Yeah.
Was he the one who was doing the high notes at the end, or was it the original member of Turbo?
Jungkook, right?
Kim
Kim Jong-Kook.
Jong-Kook,
Yeah.
I think, yeah.
I don't know.
I
But
don't
like
know.
he was front and center, the original member.
Yeah, but he didn't
so-
look like he was lip syncing to
okay.
anything at that point. So I don't know whether it was him or, and if it was one of the members of the 80s, I have a feeling it would have been,
Jungkook?
yeah. Anyway, it was really cool. I liked that they turned into cats at the end because I like cats, and you know, black cats are cute. All
Yes.
cats are cute.
Okay.
But black cats need extra love because in some places in the world they're considered unlucky and then they get a bad reputation for no reason. So love cats, guys. Philosophy of this video.
Yeah.
But yeah, that was really fun. I mean, I like that they do some like Halloween content just for fun, right?
That video, I did not expect the Halloween video to be that
High
like.
production.
Yeah, I'm watching it. And I'm like, wow.
Oh, it's a whole MV, right?
Yeah, that is some quality stuff.
But I appreciate that I was able to pick up the
Yeah.
carving quite easy. Obviously, we can't do it as well as
Yeah.
they can. It's always fun to be able to join along, right? First watch. Anyway, that's Ateez. Originally, we were going to check out Promise today, but we're pushing that back to next week because we just wanted to check out the Halloween,
Halloween
content
stuff.
on Halloween. So I'm sure you'll forgive us, right? If I pretend to be cute, will you forgive me? Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. And if you're interested, we're going to be checking out Card as well today and their Halloween videos. So check that out too.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.